This morning we've come out to Bandung Collection because Mark wants to do a little bit more shopping, and here we are. It's a major store, department store throughout, at least Bali that we know of, and there's one pretty much in every suburb, but we never knew about it before. But here we are, and we're going to have a look and take you around with us. And this one is located on a very busy intersection. There is a roundabout just through that way, and our driver trying to get from the other side of the road heading up that way was a bit of a nightmare. We were stuck right in the middle of all these cars heading down this way, and no one was obliging to let us through until we made a decisive move, which would have caused about a 10-car pile-up, but we made it through. So here we are at
Bandung Collection. We've just walked in the front door and I've found a jewellery section, and I really like these. Whoops. $4. It's crazy. Apparently all local prices in here, so that's going to be... Oh, I'm making a mess of... Oh, goodness me. There's so many to choose from. Alright, we'll be popping in here on the way back.
And how much was it?
Those earrings were $4.
They're probably less than $4 in that exchange rate, aren't they?
Yeah, they're probably $3.
And right behind you, you were complaining about the rain. Look
Ponchos.
at that.
Plenty ponchos.
And how much are they? About $2.
But we've only just walked in the front door.
As you can see, there is the door, and she's already gone crazy.
Oh no. Alright, well, we'll go and look at shoes now.
I thought I'd found the bargain of a lifetime. Adidas runners at a price of 247,000 rupiah. But the largest size they have is a US size. No, I need a 12. Children's shoes. What have we got here in the ladies' department?
The hair department.
The hair department.
Yeah.
And is it a bargain or is it not a bargain?
Yeah, $1.60 for this fragrance booster hair mist. $1.60.
And what does that do?
It just makes your hair smell nice, and it offers protection.
Oh, I'm sure it does.
Vitamin hair with UV protection.
Oh, great.
People have to get some of that.
Two of those.
$3 for that.
And we've got a few electronics goods here. Let's have a look. Power bank, quick charge, 20,000 amp hours, and the price is $40 or less. It's actually 400,000 rupiah, so 20,000 amp hour quick charge bank. Pretty good. Buds are plenty. Now let's have a look. 182,000. Robots up here. 209,000. 209,000. Data cables. Ladies' spangly shoes next to those. 21,500 rupiah. 70,000. the most expensive thing I've seen. Mark's in here somewhere. Everything from deodorants to other things over here that I know nothing about. Hydra Stay, vanilla makeovers, $20, 200,000 rupiah. Discount. Mike's just had her little basket of cosmetics taken away. They have to be left at the cashier. How are you supposed to know these things? Anyway. What is that? Strangest things. It does look like these stores are a big winner with the locals. And for a weekday, what's everybody doing in here? They should be at work. Anyway, you've got trousers, pants, jeans. You've got shorts. Shorts with glitter. And you've got fitting rooms. Puffer jackets, they're big sellers here. If you're going for the formal look, we've got a collection of ties already made up. You just wrap them around your head. Way to go. This men's department, jeans with holes in them already. Polos. Jeans, stretchy pants. The shirt collection. $119,011, probably about $9. Nice quality cotton. And stubbies. Those sorts of stubbies. Remember those? Full range of tees here. Adidas branded. $68,000. Quality. That's $5. Get you these tees. No haggling, no hassling. $82,000 rupiah. $7. $82,000 rupiah. More designs on this side. Legacy of Hustler. $95,000. Let the good times roll. Indeed. That is going to set you back $62,000 rupiah. 30,000 rupiah. 70,000. Looking for something with a bit more colour, a bit more batiki looking. There's a range down here. We're looking at a price of 138,000 for these shirts. New Balance is 124,000 rupiah. Picked up one item only because of the sizes. The maximum size is XL, and because of my little bit of podge, I would be more comfortable in a triple or a double XL. Unfortunately, they don't extend to that size, so I've squeezed myself into something that hopefully will fit. I tried it on, it sort of was fit but a bit tight. See how we go. It was only $5.
That's $13.
$13. We're now in the wallet department, full leather.
For all his money?
For all the money that I don't have.
And this one feels more leather.
Oh, that one looks more like what I've got, yeah.
Yeah.
So I'll have a look around here and I might select something from this range.
These ones...
There's a bit of everything here.
These ones feel a bit vinyl-y, which they're probably all vinyl, but
probably,
that feels vinyl. And these ones feel a bit more leathery.
Yeah, they got that horrible bloody thing on the front, which
That's
was...
expensive. That's $5.20,
Oh no,
that one.
I can't afford it.
But you like them to fit in your pocket,
I
don't you?
do. It's handy with the wallet.
See, that one's good.
Yeah, that's sort of getting there. Alright, let me have a look.
And that's got a zip bit as well.
A zip bit. Shopping trip to Bandung Collection is completed. We've paid off the national debt and the rupiah is safe once again.
We have just been to Bandung Collection. There's quite a few of these stores around and we've heard that they're great. Well, we got there and it is great. There's the taxi driver told us local prices, so I couldn't believe how cheap things were. I can't show you right at the moment because we're in a restaurant and I can't get everything out of the bag, but first thing we looked at was men's shoes for Derek, and they didn't have anything above a size 9, and he needed like an 11 or a 12, so they didn't have any. They had heaps and heaps and heaps of shoes, great styles, cheap prices, and they were like $25, 250,000, but not in his size. So luckily for me, I got a pair and mine were $10, 105,000, something like that. And then I got some jewellery, and obviously it's not gold, but I got this chain, I got a whole lot of rings, I got earrings, and they were like so cheap, so cheap. Clothing was a bit, they were small as well, small sizes. I saw a top that I loved and it was about this big, so that was never going to fit me. But like I got a really nice handbag for $7, just a small one, like a clutch one. Derek got a new wallet. How much was your wallet? I can't remember. $6, something like that. Obviously not leather, but good quality vinyl, I would say. Staff not completely helpful. They weren't great. But makeup and skincare and stuff like that was so cheap. So I sort of stocked up on that. I didn't really need anything, but I thought I'll just get some for future reference. And so all in all, everything we bought, Derek got a singlet, I got a whole lot of lipsticks and eyeliner and one little perfume and the handbag and the wallet and the jewellery and the shoes. $100 for everything. It was so cheap. And there's probably a few other things that I've missed out, but worthwhile having a look. And the shops are everywhere. So the one we went to was about a half-hour taxi ride from Sanur, but there is one in Kuta, and they're all over the place if you just Google it. But definitely worth having a look if you want to have a big shop. Better than Krishna Ole Ole, much better, in my opinion. Cheers.